I'm a learning and development professional, which means my commitment is to help others achieve their full potential. Now, I'm not a doctor or a scientist, but I must say one of the most valuable and exciting fields from the world of medical science that really helps to underpin my work is neuroscience. The many diverse fields of neuroscience are giving us astonishing insights into how our brains, our nervous system, our whole chemical physiology operates to enable us to think, feel, learn and behave the way we do. The tools of neuroscience provide the missing link to how the physiological, psychological, cognitive, emotional, behavioural and developmental aspects of ourselves come together to form the magnificently complex, capable and to some degree predictable creatures that we are. My professional field is to help individuals and organisations understand and develop their innate abilities to connect, collaborate and achieve their desired performance goals. Thanks to neuroscience, we can now see how the unbelievably intricate chemical workings of our brain enable the emotional and behavioural sides of leadership, team working, innovation, decision-making, conflict resolution, learning, and a whole range of other areas highly relevant to personal and professional success. Neuroscience shows exactly how positive, supportive relationships between co-workers, especially with supervisors, cause neural pathways to develop in our brains that actually encourage engagement, collaboration, and creativity. Now, for years, good leaders have understood how the quality of their relationship building and their own behaviour and emotional intelligence can dramatically impact the performance of their teams. Now, enlightened leaders are educating themselves on this cutting-edge hard science to understand exactly how their interactions with others either deliver positive engagement-boosting neurological stimuli or negative disengagement-provoking mental and emotional responses in others. HR and business leaders now have compelling scientific evidence to help guide the creation of workplace culture and the re-engineering of job roles, organisational structure, work processes and environments so as to produce the conditions for consistently high-performing and engaged workforces. Neuroscience also helps us to understand how so much of the way that businesses and leadership culture have operated actually create the conditions for poor performance and disengagement with all of its associated bottom line risks. My name is Nick Musgrave. I specialise in helping individuals and organisations achieve their best potential. In this series of short, bite-sized videos, I'll be exploring the many ways in which we can understand better the links between neuroscience, leadership and engagement, and find ways to move up to the next level, both personally and as the leader of others. I'd love to know what you think. Leave me a comment. Click the subscribe button to join me on this journey of discovery and check out the next video in the Neuroscience for Engagement series.